fellow travelers. I'm Stan Cromlish, aka the Wandering Gypsy, and today's product spotlight is the LevelMate Max. You can pick that up at TechnoRV.com. Why do you need LevelMate Max? Well, for me, it's a game changer. After a leveling fiasco at the Vineyards RV Resort in beautiful Grapevine, Texas, where Bertie Bea's nose was 7 inches off the ground, and her tires were hanging like they didn't know where the ground was anymore. So I picked up the LevelMate Max, proudly made in the USA. Installation was quick and easy. All you have to do is find a place inside your RV, and the LevelMate Max can be mounted vertically or horizontally. I mounted the LevelMate Max inside the circuit breaker box in Bertie Bea. You can see here is the circuit breaker box, and there is the LevelMate Max. It has been a game changer for me. Here in beautiful Laramie, Wyoming, the LevelMate Max iPhone app made it easy to find the perfect spot. Leveling was a breeze. Pushed the auto leveling buttons on Bertie Bea, and she rose about 1.5 inches per the LevelMate Max app, and she was good and level. Get your LevelMate Max today at TechnoRV.com, and happy leveling.